Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with your Cognos account. Make sure you have author permissions so you can build reports. Once logged in, go to Manage and confirm the data source connection. If it's missing, add a saved connection using JDBC or the provided adapter. Next, open the new menu and pick Data module to register your tables. This is where you shape data before reporting. Do this now so your workspace reflects the exact datasets you'll analyze. Now you create a data module. Drag tables into the canvas and define joins. This controls relationships and prevents duplicate rows. Once you add calculated fields, experiment with sample rows to validate logic and data types. Mismatched types cause errors later. Make sure to apply filters now to limit rows and improve performance, then save the module with a descriptive name so others can reuse it. This step prepares clean, trusted data for report building and dashboards. With the module ready, open Report Builder and add visualizations or list objects. Drag fields, set aggregation, and tweak properties for clarity. Once done, run the report against live data and add prompts for interactivity. Save and publish to a folder with proper permissions. If something breaks, first confirm the data source connection and your role permissions, and then review the audit or system logs for errors. This usually reveals whether it's a credential, query, or model issue to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.